further ado, I want to do my skincare, and it's not an everyday thing. I would be lying if I say so, but once in a while I do this. But I'll only be using 2 products because it's already late. I mean, I don't even have the energy. So product number 1 is this. So I'm going to be putting this as a mask, and then after I wash it out, because I'll not show you, I'm going to use this vitamin C. Can you get it? So I'm going to apply this mask, and then when I'm doing the utensils, I'm going to let it stay on my face, and then I will rinse, and then I'm going to apply this. So let's do this. So I'm going to leave it on my face like I'm going to take like about 15 minutes to do the utensils and what have you. And then now I'm going to rinse it off. Then I'll be back to apply the vitamin C. That's it for now, guys. I'm so tired. I just want to go and sleep. I'm so tired. I can't take this anymore.